Hi guys, so today we're at Beamish and we explored everywhere. We've got the cinema to us, haven't we?
Yeah, we're at the cinema and this was the one that was at Ryhope, wasn't it?
Yes, it was at Ryhope.
So what have we got in front of us?
So we've got some curtains and then the open run cinemas here.
And is this the stage where the screen would be?
Yeah. The screen would be here. And then we've got some pictures on the boat, if you can see.
Yeah.
Over there. And we have got a balcony.
Shall we spin round and do the balcony then?
Yeah. And then we've got some seats that are really comfy. So if you take a look at the seats, they're really nice. And so we're going to do the top floor next. So
Shall we show them the production room as well?
we'll show you the production room in the next minute.
Yeah, so let's roll in.
So here's the production room
And what's here?
and the productions.
And what's these?
We've got little rollers, you can see.
And what went on them?
The
films.
The films.
reels
So they
went
roll
on.
them and then the start, you can see.
Yeah. And they put them on these
They put them on these.
machines, didn't they? The projectors. There we go. What's this tell you as well, darling? What's this?
That's
I think that tells them the volts and the
they tell them
controls.
the volt and the controls.
And then when we look through here,
Yeah, you can
that's
see. So if you look back and then you can see this whole thing. You can see? Oh, there.
and what went in the top there where it says Ross London.
The film reels.
The film reels, yes. And then it projected out of the window and onto the stage at the front, didn't it?
Yep. We'll see you on in the next channel. There's the countries.
And what are these for, do you think? Do you think these are lights?
The little lights that can do low to up.
Yeah.
So we'll see you up on the next floor, won't we?
We will, yeah.
Bye for now.
Here we go, there we go.
Right, so these are the stairs that will go up to the second floor. And then we'll see if it's there. If you can see,
And what's this called?
it's called a balcony.
The balcony, yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yes. And we've got loads of things. If you can see, we were there, but now we are upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll see if we have got some lights. You can see.
Yeah, we have. It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
So show everybody the
If you're
view from
wondering where
upstairs.
we are in
In 1950, yeah, in the 1950s theatre that used to be at Ryhope
Yeah.
in Sunderland, so it was rebuilt here. So that's another great video today. So let's say bye.
Bye.
And thank you to our special guest today. We had a little helper, didn't we? The little niece. So thanks everybody. Bye.